Why do you think people don't take you seriously? Well, if you're looking away of mastering power phrases, then you've come to the right place because your words can alter your life. First, let's dive into how genders make a difference. First is to realize that men and women have completely different communication styles. Take an example on how men show respect. They will do it by challenging others' viewpoints and ideas, but when it comes to women, they would have mutual understanding and finding similarities, connection to connect and show respect. Now we can also see the difference in how they handle stress. Men will handle it by going somewhere hidden and peaceful. We can also see in the past where cavemen will go to their cave and be alone when they are feeling stressed. Now, it is completely different when it comes to women because they would like to discuss the issue directly and talk. The second is to eliminate uncertain words. Maybe, perhaps, should. Now, when a person started to suggest me something, I think you should, I would always ask him, is it required? Because it is uncertain, and you can also see from the example in how we pitch others. I want to build a business. Well, instead, it is much more effective for you to say, I will build a business. The third is to use conversational tone when you ask requests, and you do it as if you were asking to pass the butter. Now, you ask expectantly, meaning that you expect you will get what you requested, and you obviously need to have the willingness to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. So, power phrases are concise statements that are being used effectively. It can alter your mindset, influence others, and most importantly, easy to use. So why not try? That is the message for today. If you have any questions, put the comments down below. Thank you and goodbye.